Mae pobl yn gofyn yn aml pam bod gan Gymru ddau blanhigyn cenedlaethol, the leek and the daffodil, which already feels quite greedy. You know, one would have been fine, surely. But what I love is how strangely similar they are yn Gymraeg. A leek is cenhinen, a daffodil, cenhinen Bedr, literally St. Peter's leek. So at some point, someone clearly looked at a daffodil and thought, iawn, mae hwnna'n cenhinen. Dim ar gyfer bwyta, ond yn ysbrydol. A dyma'r peth. The word cennin is already there in Old Welsh over 1,000 years ago, and it hasn't really changed at all. Go back even further to Proto-Celtic, and casnina meant leek and garlic, which suggests early Celtic speakers looked at the entire allium family and thought, close enough. Mae'r gair ei hun am haenau, rhywbeth sy'n tyfu dros amser, which works surprisingly well for Wales. Language, culture, identity, built layer by layer. Dyna pam bod symbolau Cymreig yn aml yn edrych fel bod llysiau a phlanhigion wedi cael cyfarfod. Felly, os wyt ti'n gwisgo cenhinen, cenhinen Bedr, or just quietly minding your own business mewn Crys Cymru, you are part of the same story. Symbolau gwahanol, gwreiddiau tebyg. And that, really, feels very Welsh. Felly gen I heddiw, Dydd Gŵyl Ddewi hapus iawn.